In a world buzzing with technology, meeting face-to-face has never felt more essential. Sally Geyer highlights the deeper connections forged in person, vital for trust and thriving industries. As our double-edged sword of isolation persists, the urge for human connection magnifies. Sales conferences serve as a powerful platform to rekindle these vital relationships and trust. No longer just business, these gatherings represent the beating heart of relationship building in sales. In 2025, a wave of inspiring sales conferences awaits, ready to reshape your professional journey. Have you ever felt the need to connect beyond the digital realm? You're not alone. Our curated list encompasses sales events for every level, from executives to budding contributors. Don't find yourself aimlessly scrolling. This comprehensive list will guide your choices. Let's dive into the sales events you won't want to miss in 2025, starting with the B2B Marketing Exchange. Scheduled for February the 24th to the 26th, this conference in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona offers a treasure trove of knowledge. With expert speakers lined up, it's the perfect chance to refine your skills and network. Next up is the Miami Innovation Conference, taking place on February the 25th to the 26th, an unmatched experience. 97% of attendees rave about its fresh perspective on AI advancements and future trends. If you're keen on virtual events, the Sales 3.0 AI Sales Summit on February the 26th to the 27th is tailored for you. Dive into how AI is changing the sales landscape, promising smarter prospecting and seamless deal closures. Looking for a broader reach? Don't miss the Adobe Summit from March the 18th to the 20th in the dazzling Las Vegas. This annual gathering draws professionals from diverse fields, all craving insights into digital customer experiences. As spring unfolds, the Conference in Sales Management from March the 19th to the 21st offers a niche for educators. Expect engaging sessions, cash prizes for top papers, and the chance to showcase your research. Mark your calendars for April the 7th to the 9th, as LedsCon 2025 in Las Vegas caters to lead generation professionals. A hotbed for industry connections, this event explores the latest trends across various sectors. April the 9th to the 10th holds a special place for beginners with the Marketing and Sales Innovation Conference and Awards. It's the gateway for students and professionals to connect and explore new talent opportunities. In the B2B SaaS arena, the Digital Now Revenue Summit set for April the 15th to the 17th promises transformative strategies. Next, the NTCA Marketing and Sales Conference from May the 4th to the 6th focuses uniquely on the rural broadband sector. For those in Europe, SaaSiest 2025 is a must-visit on May the 6th to the 7th, blending networking and collaborative sessions. The CRO Summit on June 3rd in Denver aims to tackle growth strategies and revenue optimization. Jump to late summer, don't miss Inbound 2025 from September the 3rd to the 5th, a flagship event by HubSpot. For SaaS enthusiasts, SaaStr Annual from September the 9th to the 11th is where actionable insights and networking collide. The Sisters in Sales Summit on September the 18th to the 20th champions women of color in sales, focusing on empowerment. Keep this list handy, as 2025 is packed with opportunities that could redefine your sales career ahead.